Hey, online guys, this is for computer skills semester 2. It's our third day. So let me go ahead and share my screen. We're going to talk about day 3 and day 4. It's this week. And here we go. So you should be able to see my screen. It says, welcome to computer skills. We always enter, take attendance, do the prayer. We go through our agreements. We make sure we raise our hands. We do a quick do now, which really we just talk it out in this class. It says, what is your favorite store to visit? And write down one way in which you use the internet. So we just think about, use it for email, use it for school, use it for gaming. What do you think? And so that's our little do now. Then we start with our goal, our objective, which says I will be able to deepen my proficiency in Google Docs and explore the internet, and safely, of course. So we go through class stuffs like behavior, procedures, protocols. We will go over the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles and the video questions from Friday, so make sure you have that ready to go. We always take a little stretch. We'll play a game, and then we'll jump into the business plan outline, which I'm going to show you at the end of this video. We'll work with selecting, deleting, cutting, copying, pasting, italics, sizing, formatting, text, hyperlinks, indentions, tabs, headers, footers, sharing, commenting, all that good stuff, just so we really know Google Docs in and out. Then we'll play a game called Speedball, and then we'll do this partner activity called the Internet Scavenger Hunt, which if you're online, you can do it on your own, and it is pretty fun. And then we'll clean up, dismiss, and look ahead to Friday. So when we get to this portion, well, let me show you the other thing right now. Let me show you the business plan. That way you can work in order. So share my screen. Gotta move it around a little bit. So this is what we'll be walking through with in class. There it is. You should see it now. So we'll write at the top in our header, business plan version 1, page 1, my business idea. And you're going to create a business for this class. You're going to think about, what is a need that you want to solve? What is something that you're really passionate about? What is something that you think your interests, you think you could get paid for, and you would like doing, all kind of meet the Japanese term of ikigai. So think about it. And I had awesome students from last semester. They built like companies that were like baseball hitting gyms, or they had NFL merchandise store online. They had an auto mechanics shop. They had robotics. They had a bunch of a bird documenting company. So really it's up to you, and it is just kind of fictional, but it's a good way for us to frame our class in kind of like a more entrepreneurial lens. So you're going to write down your business idea. That's the main thing. You're going to come up with a company name. So you're going to say, this is what we're called. Mine is called Double Oak Games because I love James Bond. You put your name. We'll also put the date, and then you're going to include the example of the flashcard. We'll talk about how to do this in class, including the hyperlinks, inserting photos. Go to page 2. You're going to write a summary, products or services, and budget. Okay, so you're going to say, hey, how much would it take to run a baseball hitting gym? Okay, and this is just our first idea. We're working with this. We can change it throughout the course, but it's a good way for us to start. So be thinking about that. Let's go to the other slide. So we're back on our scavenger hunt details. Oh, so that was the business plan outline. Then you're gonna do the scavenger hunt. So you're gonna create a Google slide, or you could do a Google Doc if you want to. You're gonna insert a picture of the governor. You're gonna insert the screenshot of the bus 13 schedule. You're gonna find a map of the Hawaiian Islands. You're gonna copy something that tells me how many people live in Hawaii overall, how many people live in Honolulu, state bird, state flag, UH videos 2021 volleyball championship, Chaminade logo, Google Map images, St. Louis school, copy and paste a famous quote from Brainy Quotes, and insert a GIF from Giphy of Marcus Mariota. So this is the answer key. All right, I have them kind of revealed there. So there's the governor, there's the bus 13, there's the Hawaiian Islands, but you guys can do other ones. You got to do different ones. Find the population. There's the video here. It's going to play at the bottom. There's the Nene bird, our state bird, state flag, Chaminade Silver Stores logo, St. Louis school screenshot on Google Maps, and that is the final, and then the quote at the top and the GIF there. So this is the answer key. It is kind of a fun activity. You look on the internet and you can work together. Okay, when we come back on Friday, we'll have a do now. We'll do some more Google Docs work and work through our outlines of our business plan. We'll play a game, of course, and then we'll do this communications method chart, which is a worksheet. So we will talk about this. How would you use communications? You can only use texting, phone calls, talking in person, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, or email. And we'll talk about this. And this is kind of just a discussion that we'll have. Okay, so you can see this is a little bit of what the last class said on how they would do that. So that's our day. So here you can see when I'll give you a piece of paper, you'll actually complete it with a partner. And so you'll see that's the answer. Then that's it. Okay, we might have another worksheet in there, but I haven't quite decided yet. So just want to get everyone, you can log on at 1:30 of those classes. So just be on the lookout for that. Okay, I've talked too much. All right, see you guys. Bye.